Is it possible to make money as a content creator, aka a blogger, vlogger, influencer, or TikToker in this day and age? I say yes, it definitely is. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you can expect as a content creator if you want to make money using online courses this year. Hey friends, I'm Myrra and I'm an online course creator and strategist helping Christian women coaches and entrepreneurs turn their God-given gifts and skills into profitable and transformational online courses. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on my new videos every Monday about course creation, business, and faith-based personal development. Okay, so are you a content creator? Do you create content like vlogs, TikToks, Instagram Reels, etc. for entertainment and or inspirational and educational purposes? Have you built some kind of audience and community who loves and resonates with you? If so, I think most likely that you have heard that the biggest way to make money as a content creator is through brand sponsorships, monetization, ads, modeling, or even getting invited to PR events. However, I truly believe that this isn't the only way. I believe that if you have a passion to share, an expertise to teach, or a skill to impart, you can make a course. So if you're a content creator who's wondering if it's worth trying out to create online courses as a way to make money as a content creator this year, then here's what you need to know. So maybe you are a freelancer making an income from your side hustle gigs and you are sharing all about your life and your business in your vlogs and TikToks. And maybe you have already inspired a lot of people that this kind of life with time and financial freedom is most definitely possible for other people too. And so now people are asking you, oh my gosh, how can I do that too? Well, a course is a great opportunity to share your expertise and your life lessons to your community. Through your course, you can give them the step-by-step process on how they can do what you're doing now too. Hear me out, okay? Free info is already out there. You can literally post Instagram Reels about how you became a freelancer, and chances are those Reels are short form and you can only really just fit so much information in them. Plus, because of short attention span, it's most likely that people who watch your Reels or your TikToks are going to scroll after and maybe somehow forget your tips and tricks easily. So this is why I believe that a course is a better and more organized way to deliver your information and your knowledge to them. It's a step 1, step 2, step 3 kind of thing where they can literally follow your proven process, basically what worked for you, and they have more chances of succeeding in following them versus just watching your Reels or your TikToks where they don't have to take action afterwards. So I used to be a sucker for free information out there, and although I have nothing against free information, but I really do believe that there's power in organized information and just you having to do the step 1, step 2, step 3 kind of thing where it really saves you a lot of time and a lot of energy, and instead of making mistakes and doing trial and error, you get to avoid all that time that you are going to have to learn things the hard way. So that's what happened to me when I finally realized that I'm done just winging YouTube and I wanted to learn the exact process. And so I invested in Shan Cannell's Think Media's course, Video Ranking Academy. It is a huge investment, I know, but it is definitely something that I think is definitely worth it. And that is an example of this point. Your course will include homeworks or action steps and activities for them to do and for them to take. So most likely, they are not just going to consume information, but rather they are going to apply or implement it. So this means that in their learning through your course, they will have more chances of getting results and transformations. Maybe you're an extrovert who thrives in gathering people. So to give you an idea, maybe you can create a course with a community aspect into it. Otherwise, if you're an introvert and you like learning on your own time and pace, then maybe it would be great that your course would also reflect that. And so you can create a course that is DIY and people can take on their own time and pace as well. You can even survey your own community and audience to see how they best learn. So you see, your course is like your own content. You can get creative as much as you can with it. This is obviously a big bonus of creating a course. A course can add more income to your business so that you're not really just dependent on brands and companies to sponsor you anymore. It's like being proactive as an entrepreneur and a content creator and making sure that you have other income streams. As a kingdom-driven entrepreneur who sees Jesus as my ultimate CEO, I am always all about the impact versus the income. But I would be a hypocrite if I would say that making money in my business is not a goal. Clearly, making money is also important because you are not only able to bless your family with it, but you can also give to your church or to other people and support and donate your causes and organizations that you support. And the Bible is big on reminding us that we should be responsible stewards and vessels of not just the treasures that God gives us, but also our time and talent. So if God gave us the expertise, knowledge, educational background, and gifts that we currently have in our life, then He also wants us to steward them well. And I believe that a course is just one of the greatest ways to do that. Good news, a course will amplify who you are. Bad news, a course will amplify who you are. If you're just all about the money, I really believe that this will be reflected in your course and how you deliver it. You might not make the effort to deliver quality information and bring transformation through your course. And so that might end up causing your students to feel like your course was a scam. So I suggest, even before creating a course, check your motives. Make sure you're in this for the long haul and understand that you have to have the integrity to really deliver the promise of your course. Unless you get someone to help create and set up your course from scratch, I must tell you that it will take a lot of time and a lot of effort from you in creating your course. But you know, before we reap the fruits of everything that we do in life, including in this case creating a course, and including the pros and the benefits that we have talked about earlier in this video, then we have to understand that we will have to sow our time, money, and our energy into creating a course first. And so I hope that this gave you clarity on whether or not it's worth it to create a course as a content creator. I really do believe that creating a course as a content creator opens up so many doors for you, and so it's really definitely worth it. But before deciding, I suggest you pray and talk to God about it and follow where He leads you. Because if He calls you to do it, then rest assured that He has already paved the path ahead for you. So if this video helped you, please consider hitting thumbs up and subscribe again to this channel so you won't miss out on the new videos that I upload every Monday. You can also download my free case study resource where I talk about how my client, who was a career coach and consultant, made an additional $15,000 plus in her coaching business by turning her God-given gifts and expertise into an online course. You can download it at myrracake.com/case study. So now you're probably asking, Myrra, when is the best time to create a course? If you're asking that, then I got you. Click on this video next to learn more about when is the best time to create a course. Keep the faith, my friend, and know that the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.